The man was supposed to be the king, as in, for my own side of view, the man is the record is putting out before this time is not a good record to be, for people to like endorse for him to be there.
Are you talking about behavior-wise?
Yeah. He's a good man. He has worked for himself to be a great musician in Nigeria and to be everywhere all around the world. People respected him. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
But in terms of to be that paramount ruler, he's the king of, Ijebu Ode is not a small king in Yoruba land. You understand me? And it's not for tout. Let me put it that way, straight up. It's not for somebody like K1. Let me just put it that. I'm not from there. I'm not from there from any way. But for me, I love his music. He's a very good man. But the narrative of yes, they need somebody that is capable of addressing people, talk to people wisely. This man don't have a good character of being a leader in that type of post. You understand what I'm saying? If you check somebody like Ooni of Ife now, they throw shit on him all the time and he swallow it. He's a leader, he's leading, and the
that's
patient
where
is
you're
there.
coming from.
Yeah. He's a very good man in terms of taking shit out of people. This man cannot take anything, and that place is going to be a mess within 1 year if you become a king of that place. That's my opinion. Because
thank you, Mr. Lawrence.
You don't have that patience.
Life is a choice.
You don't have
sir.
So life is a choice.
You understand? He's a good man. For me, he's a good man. He's a good man. He's a very good man. You understand? He's a good man, and he worked for himself. People respected him, as in. But this man is.
Can I come in, sir? You have said that.
Hold on, let me talk, please. Let me talk.
Hold on, please. Same thing.
Yeah. Let me land. I have a point here to prove. Please, you are going to talk, okay? We are not fighting here, okay? I'm not from there.
Mr. Lawrence,
I'm not banter with anybody here. What I'm saying is that the scene that happened before this time by chasing a plane in the airport. All his record of beating people on stage, talking to people, and some other activities behind the scene is going to be coming out because everybody have a lot of evidence against him for him not to be that leader. They like to be a king. A king is not it's not something that someone can just walk up to. You understand? I know they can play politics for him to be there. Fine, no problem. But let me tell you something. In the next 1 or 2 years, forget about that. It's going to be a chaos. You understand? Because the house is divided already. You understand? Let me just put it that way. People love him. A lot of people love him, and a lot of people hate him in that particular region.
But Mr. Lawrence, everybody.
No. See, let me tell you, a leader must be shown an example. You have to be showing that example before you become that thing. You understand? When Tinubu want to become president, you understand? People bring his track record. This man, I've done this. Let's try it.
So if that's what you want to say, Mr.
No.
See, a lot of people were against Tinubu to be the president. I'm just trying to tell you that gbogbo ayé ò lè like èèyàn.
No, gbogbo ayé ò lè like èèyàn. See, mo sọ ti yẹn ẹni tó bá máa tó lu kọ́kọ́ máa tó lé ara ẹ̀ náà.
Okay,
you understand?
That makes sense.
You understand? Ọmọ Yorùbá ni gbogbo wa. If you want to lead, if you want to be a leader anywhere, how is your home? Like, did you put everything together? Like, I hope everybody is in order. You understand? There is a chaos between all his wives. Everybody is seeing that. You understand? And you want to rule you know what is Ijebu? Ijebu Ode for that matter. It's not a small post. It's not something you can just stand on. I want to become this on your stage. I want to be no. There is more things beyond that.
Mr. Lawrence, from Ultimate, and for a lot of people that are saying pé kíni K1 wá kiri ó lówó lọ́wọ́ kí ló wá kiri ẹ mọ̀ pé ńgbà mi ṣe bá Yorùbá náà la ní pé téèyàn bá ti lówó tán ṣe bówó yẹn náà iyì ló dẹ̀ máa kù tó fẹ́ fira iyì wo ló tó kéèyàn jẹ àwùjalẹ̀. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, that gbogbo àwọn tó lówó lẹ́ni náà ibì kan ṣáà náà ń kọjú owó yẹn sí iyì náà fẹ́ fi owó rà. So the fact that he's king of Fuji does not mean he cannot be king of another.
No, he can be king. He can ask, why not? Why? He can be king.
All right, Mr. Lawrence, hold on. Then you go from Mr. Ultimate.
Ṣẹ̀rí odijọ́ tẹ̀dá bá gba kádàrá ló máa understand pé Ọlọ́run ló ń to ètò ẹ̀dá kò ń to fẹ́ dà. Ẹni ìdọ̀tí máa ń dolórí Ọlọ́run tó bá núbò ṣe fẹ́ ni kò sí tẹ́nì kan máa ṣe sí. Nítòótọ́ la jànà lọ àwọn àtẹnilẹ́gbẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n bọ́lá ṣe máa rí ẹ̀dá kan ò lè sọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Neither you like it or not, ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá fẹ́ ló máa wà ń bẹ̀. Àánú ẹ̀ wá dá o. Àánú ẹ̀ ò dá o, èní ẹ̀sùn wọn igbá kan ló ṣe o. Kádàrá Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè ṣe, ẹ̀dá kọ̀ọ̀kan ló ń to kádàrá. Ilé ayé la wà gbogbo ohun tó fi pé Tinubu. Ọlọ́jà nígbà kan àwo ni kò lè ṣe kinní kan. There is something I always tell everybody. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni pé ohun tó wù ẹ́, ọ̀tọ̀ ni tó wù Ọlọ́run. Tọ́lọ́run bá kádàrá pé ohun tó ń fẹ́ lò nìyẹn, ariwo iná la máa pa apájọ ariwo ìlọ́gbọ̀n election. But ẹ bá ń wo by history of everybody, tẹ́ni tá a rí ni gbogbo wa máa ń sọ jù torí pé nìkan popular rẹ̀. Gbogbo àwa tá a bá ń rojọ́ ẹ̀, tó bá ṣí kọ̀rọ̀ ẹlòmíì, níjó rí ibi sọ̀rọ̀.
Bọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà ti sọ tán sìn yìí. Ẹni tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ mọ̀ pé èyí ń sin ẹ̀fẹ́ lọ gbé gbá. Tẹ́yìn náà bá dìde ń sin pẹ́fẹ́ jà òjàlè. Ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tùdí tí yín náà.
Wọ́n á túbọ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ wọn Ọlọ́run náà máa débẹ̀. Sí, ẹ̀dá tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ èèyàn ní wo táyé bá fẹ́ sọ. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ èèyàn láyé kò ní wo táyé bá fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan dẹ̀ ní chance ilé ayé tó bá rọ opportunity yẹn lò nítorí ẹni tó wà lókè ó lò gbé.
You see what he's saying? No, hold on. You see what he's saying?
Please respect yourself, bro.
No. You see what he's saying?
Mr. Lawrence,
everything about Nigeria.
Mr. Lawrence, ẹ mọ̀ ìpín gbàtẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹni pé kán jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn náà sọ̀rọ̀. Má jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ again, but ẹ jẹ́ kán sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ má.
All right. Go ahead.
Ẹ continue, sir.
The way tẹ́mi ṣe ń rí bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ lé ayé, mo ti realize pé lé ayé yìí, ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run nìkan ló máa ń ṣe, kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ inú wa. Àwọn alágbára tó ń ṣètò ohun tó bá wù wọ́n náà dá lára, a máa pariwo, a máa kó ń di ẹni. Kò sí ìta àti ìrírí.
But tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ní bó ṣe ń tò, tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ní bó ṣe ń tò lóòótọ́, tó wá jẹ́ wípé ibi tí kéwọn fẹ́ gbà wọlé kò bá ètò bó ṣe ń tò lọ ńkọ́.
God bless you. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi kankan lọ yín lé ní tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ kí mọ̀, a kò máa ń pariwo òfin ni. Wọ́n ṣe òfin fún táníkà ni, kò sófin falágbára ní gbogbo ilé ayé dẹ̀. Táníkà ló ń lò òfin, lágbára ń lò òfin. Tó bá mú lórí ẹbí inú ilé wọn wálé ní, tó bá ná ọmọ ọbẹ̀ ni, kóòtù lẹ́ ń lọ. Jọ́ọ̀jì tó máa dájọ́ ń dàtà ló wà. Gbogbo ẹni tó fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kí ó sì ṣe rí wọ́n ti máa ń rí ilé ayé nípa ẹ̀dá kan dára ẹ̀ láàmú ni. Ọlọ́run ló mọ̀ ṣàwọn alágbára kan síbẹ̀ kan máa dára tó wọ̀n. So ti yé yín, kì í ṣe pé ó máa ń wà wá náà, but tí èèyàn bá ti rí ìrírí ayé dé level kan, agbèjẹfayé, agbèjẹfalágbára. Gbogbo kò nígbà àbákan ló ṣe rí nǹkan kan, àyìmọye tó ti worst jù ẹ lọ. So my major point is I'm not fighting for anybody, but I'm letting everybody understand. O lè fight ètò Ọlọ́run tàbí nǹkan táwọn alágbára bá fẹ́ dá lára o. Kò sí ohun tó o fẹ́ ṣe, wàá pariwo wàá gbéjúlẹ̀. Ṣàṣà lọ́ba tó wà ní Nàìjíríà lénìí tí ò ní case ní court.
But tí kéwọn yìí ṣe ètò Ọlọ́run ni àbí agbára?
Ètò agbára ni. Kò sẹ́ni tó ṣe rí tí ètò agbára bá ti ṣe, a máa ń gba kádàrá fọ́lọ́run ni. Ètò agbára ni. Ìlú tá a dẹ̀ gbé àtàtí wáyé gbogbo wa mọ̀ pé ètò agbára.
Welcome, sir.
Ta ló mọ̀, ta ni bàbá ẹ, ta ló connect ẹ lọ́rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ọ̀nà ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe oníkò tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Ta ló Minec wá, Mr. President? Ta ló ní Chief Judge, Mr. President? Ó wá ní òwọlé ṣáwọn tó ti kó sílé òní ṣe ń fẹ́ bọ̀ ẹ̀ ní ariwo kí là ń pa gan. Afcon fẹ́ràn ká máa drag nǹkan tí ò ní lọ bí kọ́kọ́. Táwọn people bá fẹ́ sọ pé nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe ariwo lásán la máa pa wọ́n á ṣe àpariwo àdèmà wàràn tó bá yà dákẹ́. Ó lè máa ń wù ẹ́. I am not in support of anyone, but mo fẹ́ ká máa ní understanding pé tí nǹkan ò bá wù ẹ́, má bá alágbára dùn ní Nàìjíríà, ìkan ló máa fọwọ́ mú. So whatever is happened today, tó bá jẹ́ lóòótọ́ o, tí ò ṣe pé aláyé kan sọ lásán o, ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́, ó máa jẹ́ pẹ̀lú rọrùn kò sí nǹkan tẹ́nìkan máa ṣe sí. Ìyẹn ni mò ń clear. I am just talking of connection and power. If you are well connected and you have the power, there is nothing impossible. Ibi tó máa gbé ìgbà lásán ló máa yàtọ̀. Mi ò ní dìbò, kí ni yóò yàtọ̀ selection, mi ò ní ṣe tiẹ̀, gbogbo tó ń sọ ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ ló ń sọ, àwọn náà máa pàṣẹ. When the work of the man for àmà lọ kóòtù tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ ẹjọ́ ta ló fẹ́ dájọ́.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ fún àwọn èèyàn tí ò ní òye bí wọ́n ṣe ń jẹ ọba. Ṣé when it comes to ọba this big Awujale?
My dear sister, I do understand the question you are asking.
Is ìjọba involved?
Of course, wọ́n ti gbé gbogbo kíní is under politics now. The governor give power to the king. The politician decide.
Can I say something?
No, let me learn.
Mr. Lawrence, ẹ jẹ́ kó land, má jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀.
So in the country, tá à ń gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà London politician, ló wà London governor. Tí ò bá wá tẹ́ lọ́rùn wọn ni kò lọ sùn wọn. Now when you go to court, ta ló fẹ́ lọ bá ń bẹ̀? Aládájọ́ now. So most time I just keep saying, a kàn máa ń fẹ́ dààmú ara wa. Okay, let me give an example. Ẹ̀yin ni ó sì níbí. Èmi lẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí láti fi sípò. Èèyàn wá mẹ́jọ́ mi wá bá yín. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní ṣẹjọ́ yẹ kó favour mi ni. Èmi ò support pé torí òun ló máa jẹ́ kíní kan ló máa jẹ́, but understand yẹn ni ká kọ̀ lọ ní káyé trouble life ara wa gbogbo gbà. Àfi tí bínú Ọlọ́run bá dé pé ò ní débẹ̀, kò ní débẹ̀.
Mr. Ultimate ẹ bá mi hold on bẹ́yẹn. Mr. Lawrence kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ?
Okay. N tí mo fẹ́ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé Yorùbá ní àìfàgbàfẹ́ nìkan ni ò jáyé ogún.
Okay.
Tẹ́nu sọ sí yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé rí n tó ń dààmú Nàìjíríà lé ní? Anyway, I'm not in Nigeria anyway. N tó ń dààmú Nàìjíríà lé ní ni pé a ní olórí gidi. olórí tá dẹ̀ ní ni pé olórí tá ní ẹ̀ ló fi à ń jẹ wá ṣe tí mo sọ ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀ because tá a bá lólórí gidi tá a bá máa sọ pé pàdí mi ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni ẹni tó merit ẹ̀ ló yẹ kó wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ àti tọwọ́ pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni pàdé ok ẹ wo irú ọba ìkọtún sí.
Mr. Lawrence kí ló dé tẹ̀yin ṣe rò pé wọ́n merit ẹ̀ because you can't just say because wọ́n di plane. Is it from a royal wait according to the news that is going viral now is it from a royal home is it one of the people that they present from the beginning. I don't know what to believe because lórí platform mi bí báyìí sin àwọn kan ní sọ pé ọmọ fùṣọ́gun wà ní wọn. I don't know.
Sister wait.
Kẹ́kẹ́ni.
ṣé ó wá láti ìdílé ọba ìkíní ìkejì ni pé ṣé ó wà lára àwọn tó kọ́kọ́ mú orúkọ ẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tán kọ́ gọ́sọ́ pé they have started doing some arrangement on how to make a king before he came up recently like he want to become a king, right? So n tí ẹni yìí sọ ń sìn tí ẹ̀gbọ́n yìí sọ ń sìn ni pé àwọn you have baba àṣàlẹ̀ you have somebody somewhere that is going to back him up to become a king. n tó máa padà dàlú yẹn rú nìyẹn because according to Yorùbá race wọ́n máa ń go according to traditional to choose a governor to choose a king, right?
Mr. Lawrence ẹ bá mi hold on bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mo fi owó àtọmọdé yín lẹ́nu Mr. Charis